morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, James? What's up, Kevin? Let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, perfect. All right, so let's go Broncos. Exactly. Let's go. Let's go. All right, guys. So here's the situation. This is kind of what we're looking at right here. Okay. So obviously we're looking for buys. Okay. This was the 830 candle. This was the 830 candle. Boom, came down here. Okay. Didn't do anything too extreme, honestly. Like came down here, went a little bit past the 200, and that was it. And again, like this is why I don't play a whole lot of news. This is why I don't get too excited about news. This is why I don't allow it to distract my mind. Because honestly, like there was a bunch of news at 830, and honestly, it really didn't do a whole lot. Do you know what I mean? We didn't move any different than what we normally do in the morning. You know, that's why I like this candle, the 845 candle, the 9 o'clock candle, because that initial opening bell has already moved. The whales have already kind of decided the direction that they're going to take this indice. Do you know what I mean? So again, that's kind of where we're at. You know what I mean? So again, like I said, guys, like here's the deal. I try to trade with the clearest of mind. If I can have the clearest of mind, that's how I trade. Because again, anything that clouds it, any distraction, man, it honestly just it causes doubt. It causes lack of confidence in what you're gonna do. So again, like what I'd like to see, okay, is obviously we're bouncing off of this 500 here, this 35 500. Is if she comes back down here, I'm going to set a market. I'm going to set a buy stop, okay, to go through. Okay, so again, obviously as a scalper, okay, one of the things that I try to do is I try to stay away from limits, because if we put a limit here and she comes here, boom, she can continue to fall. But again, if we just watch her, she comes down here, boom, once she comes down here, we can put a buy stop that says, hey, if she continues to climb, give me 10, 20 points, okay? And obviously we're going with the trend, all right? So again, that's how I use stops. Obviously, if you look at like Sands entries, they're stops, okay? They're a sell stop and a buy stop, because we're going in that direction. We're not looking for a retest, okay? And again, that just makes sense. That just makes sense when you're going with the trend, okay? So again, we just want to be patient to see what does she do. Then we set a buy stop up here, okay? We set a buy stop just like we did yesterday. We took 3 trades, boom, 50, 66, and then obviously 70, okay? So again, we want to look at here. Here we go, guys. So look, I'm going to go in here. Let's do a buy stop at 500, 35, 500. Okay, and I'm going to set it for 20 points, 520, boom. Okay, boom, let's go. Okay, obviously she's falling right now. That doesn't mean any difference to me. Why? Because I have a buy stop. Okay, I'm going to go through this. Okay, and obviously we're above the 200. Okay, I'm going to set 2 of those. Okay, and again, you guys will remember, if you've been trading with me for a while, we actually used to do a lot of this. We actually used to do a lot of buy stops and going through a zone. Okay, so again, I like this 35 500, because again, look, she's respected it, but now she's falling. Okay, and if she continues to fall, then we'll make a different decision. Okay, but as of right now, okay, let her retest. I like her coming back up into this zone. Boom, come back up into the zone 35,500. I got a TP for 20 points. If she gives me 10 points, because again, look at these small movements. If she gives me 10 points, I'll take 10 points. Okay. So again, just kind of where my thought process is, and kind of obviously, like, we want to be versatile in our trading, in what we do. But again, like I said, I mean, man, I don't feed a whole lot on news, guys. I just don't. I don't get into the hype, because at the end of the day, you can read the news, but it still doesn't tell you the direction, and it still doesn't tell you what she's going to do. Okay. And keep in mind, when we look at that news, that Forex factory, it's about the dollar. Okay. So if it helps the dollar, it's going to pull US30 down. So if it says, if it's higher than this, it's going to benefit the currency. The currency is obviously the US dollar. So if the US dollar is rising, US30 is going to drop. Okay. So again, like, when you look at that, it doesn't necessarily correlate with US30, because again, keep in mind that US30 is made up of stocks, is made up of companies, okay, not the dollar. All right. Okay, it's an indice, not a currency, okay, where you're trading US versus Japan, or US versus Euro. Okay, this is an indice made up of a group of organizations, companies, okay, the Dow Jones. All right. And so again, like, it's not triggered so much by news. Okay. And that's what you don't want. Is Forex traders, they trade the news. They trade US versus Japan. They trade US versus, but it's the dollar. Okay. We're trading currencies. We're not trading currency. We're trading an indice. Okay. And so if the dollar is high, okay, people aren't going to be investing into Apple and Microsoft and things like that. Okay, they're going to be holding on to that dollar because it's worth more. But if not, they're going to take that dollar and they're going to try to get more money for it. So they're going to put it into the stocks. So again, that's where what we want to definitely look at. Okay, so again, don't get too caught up in news, guys, especially Forex Factory, because again, it has to do with currency. It has to do with the dollar. It has to do with the euro. It has to do with the yen. It has to do with the currency of that country. Okay. Don't get me wrong. I mean, obviously, there's things that definitely move the market, but it's not you and I. What we're simply trying to do is just catch a wave of what the whales are doing. We're never going to move the market. We don't, retail traders don't invest enough money to move the market. All we can simply do is we have the opportunity to just grab our little surfboard, find a wave, and ride it and get in and out. Because at the end of the day, we don't know what's going to happen. Okay, we're not making the moves. We're simply just finding a wave and trying to ride it as much as we can. Okay, so again, guys, it's like I said, 90% of what I do is obviously mindset. Okay, we have to have a clear mind. We have to be clear-minded. We can't be distracted by news or anything like that. We have to go in with our strategy. We have to have our game plan, and the goal is to execute that game plan. Okay, as best as we can. Okay, so again, we're looking for a buy. Why? Because we're above this 200. Okay, we're above this 200. Okay, same thing with like Sam's entry. Okay, we were above the 200. We were in an uptrend. Okay, again, it doesn't always work that way because she moves very, 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 volatilely. She moves with a lot of volatility. Okay, but at the end of the day, okay, if you trade with the trend, we will most likely see success. Okay, there are scalpers that scalp a retest, or that scalp a change of direction. Okay, but again, you have no idea, and we've tried to do that, and we've gotten burnt. Okay, we've tried to say, you know what, she's going to stop up here. Look, again, we tried to predict. Again, we can't predict. All we can simply do is look at what we're seeing in front of us, make a decision on the direction that we're going to go, be confident in that decision, and go with it. Okay. And again, if I feel like if we do that, then we win. Okay, but if we try to predict what it's going to do, okay, we know it's going to do one of two things. It's going to go up or it's going to go down. That's a guaranteed. It's going to go up or down, up or down. That's all that she does all day long. Okay, she's going to go up or she's going to go down. Okay, can we predict when? No, we cannot. We cannot predict when. But you know what this line does is it tells me, okay, over the last 200, the last 200, 200 moving average. Okay, it's a moving average. So again, over the average of the last 200 moves, we're moving up. Okay, so again, but we can also with our naked eye. And again, guys, we're just dropping some bombs here. Okay, with our naked eye, we can also see here. Okay, we can also see that we're moving up as well. Okay, with the little trend line. All right. We can also see where we have levels. We can also see where we have levels, guys. And we can see where we have levels. Boom. Okay, we can see where we have levels. We can see where we have levels. You can see where she's trading inside of. And what happens? She breaks. Boom. Okay? The moves out of the break. Okay? What did I do? I just put a line somewhere right here. Get rid of that. All right? Again, guys, don't overcomplicate it. Don't, again, there's not a right or wrong. And there's not, I guess the thing is you know what, you got to find your strategy and you got to find what works for you and you got to stick with that. Over this couple years or this year and a half, for example, James, okay, he's found what works for him. He's found, he knows when to get out. So again, he's learned these things, and he gets better at implementing those things on a daily basis. Same thing with myself, Maribel. Okay, again, anybody who's been consistently doing this, you learn things that you like, things that you don't like. Start understanding what that looks like and build your strategy from that. Build your strategy around what's working for you, what's not working for you, what's comfortable, what's uncomfortable. Okay, I'm uncomfortable with anything past 50 points. Have I held them? Absolutely. Have I got burnt? Absolutely. And again, that's a lesson, guys. But again, can I be consistent on letting it go? Can I be consistent on taking that lesson? Okay, and moving on. Okay. So again, we have two trades set up right now. We have a buy stop at 35,500. We have a buy stop, meaning that she's going to come here, boom, hit through, pick us up, and we're gonna continue on our way. Okay, we have 1:50 left on this candle. Okay, let's see what happens. Again, guys, I hope all this makes sense. Again, boom, we're in profit right now. We're in profit right now. Let's climb. Let's go. We're in profit right now. And that's what's cool about a buy stop. How I draw my lines? Yes, absolutely. Give me 1 second. We're in two trades right now. I'll show you exactly how I draw my lines. Okay. I'm going to close these out. Actually, you know what? I'm going to let them ride. Give me 1 second here. I'm going to actually improve these. I'm going to take these to 25 and see what we can get. Okay. Again, I'm going to keep my eye on them. Let's go. Let's go. Hell yeah, let's go. Let's ride. Let's go. Get up there, US30. Get up there, baby. Come on. So what I'm anticipating is her going to this level. Okay, her going to this level. Okay, put a buy stop here. Boom. Okay, we can also enter another buy stop. Buy stop. 35, 525. We can set that for the next level. 550. Okay. All right, guys, I'm going to close these out. I got a pretty big bag. Boom, let's close them. Boom. Nice bag. Perfect. Okay, so 2-0, 2-0, 2-0. So again, I have a buy stop here at 25. Buy stop here at 25. Okay, so let's talk about how we mark up. Okay, how we mark up. Let's get rid of these lines. Okay, let's get rid of all these lines. Uh-oh, here she comes. Okay. All right, so what I do is I come in with a blank slate. I come in with just a clean canvas here. So what I then do is I pull out this little tool here, and I just start marking off every 50. Every 50, okay? 50, every 50. Okay, why? Because that's a bank zone. Okay, every 50 is a bank zone. That's on US30, understand. Okay, I don't know what it is on other currencies. I have no idea. Okay, we're simply on US30 right now. Okay, so again, you can do that. Why? Because that's where she's trading at. You can go a little bit higher if you'd like. Boom. Okay, then I come in here and I go the halfway point. Because this is like I said yesterday, this is her rounding that base. This is her showing momentum. Okay, so again, if she breaks this here, she's most likely going to come here. Okay, and look at this level. Where's she at here? Boom. We break this level. Guess what? Boom. We got this level. Okay, so that's how I mark it up. That's how I mark it up. And again, you can be OCD. You can go in here, right click settings. You can change this to 35, 5, 75. Be more specific if you want. Okay. But again, understand we don't move point to point. We move zone to zone. Okay. So if we trade in zones, we don't get into, oh, my broker's off a couple points here and there. If she's in that zone, that's where we're hitting. Okay. So again, we go here. This is where our entry is going to be. Boom. This is where our entry's at. For a buy stop. Boom. She climbs through here. Boom. Picks us up. Boom. We're continuing up. Okay. Did that help, Maribel? Okay. So again, guys, like all these are is bank zones. That's all that they are. Okay. And obviously you look at what bank zones is she respecting? She's respecting this bank zone here. Okay. 35,550. If we go out to a higher time frame, has she respected that before? Wow. It's been a while. Okay. It's been a while. Okay. But look at this. Let me show you something here. Okay, let's go out to the 5. Look at this right here. Actually, let's stay on this hour. Look at this. We bounced off here earlier, guys. So again, we break through. We continue to climb. We break through. Again, look at, she respected this zone earlier. And what happened? She fell. Okay. She respected this zone and fell earlier. All right. So I think she got us in. I think we're actually in. We have 2 trades open right now. We have two trades open right now. Here we go. Let's go. We have 2 trades open right now. Okay. Boom. We are in profit. We're in profit. Let's go. Okay. My next level. Buy stop is going to be 35,550. We're in profit right now. We're in huge profit right now. Huge profit. Okay. So where's my next buy stop? Right here. Boom. Because here's the deal. Let's go down to this 5-minute. She closes above here in the next 4 minutes. She's going to continue to rise. Okay. She's going to continue to rise. Okay. So again, I'm going to actually close these as I get to a point that I want to close them. Okay. So again, pull back. Why? Because she's respected this before. So we can expect her to respect it, okay, because she's respected it before. All right. But again, we are above the 200. We're looking for buys. Okay. Until she breaks one of these structures to the floor, we're going to continue to take buys. Okay. All right. So again, we are 2-0 on this session. We're in 2 trades right now. Okay. Our entry is at 35,525. Okay. So if you're able to get in a buy stop, 35,525, 35,525, set it for 25 points, and let's ride. Let's go. Get up there, baby. Okay. MT5, guys. MT5, I have bulk operation on, so I'm able to close both of these trades at the same time. Okay. Okay, get to know the systems that you're using. Get to know the systems that you're using so that you can be more efficient when trading. I don't use hotkeys, okay? But again, at the end of the day, guys, like, it's not that serious for me. It's not that serious for me. Okay? It's not that serious. It's not that serious for me to go get hotkeys and all that. Like, again, guys, like, my goal is to just simplify this, get in and out, and on with my day. Do you know what I mean? So again, like, for me to invest all of this money and all of this time into all of these different tools, like, again, it's just unnecessary. It's unnecessary. Okay? But again, utilizing the tools within the systems that I use. So MT5, I can close entries in bulk. Okay? So if I have 5 entries open and I want to close them all, boom, one button, I close them all. Okay? We got a pullback right now. We got a pullback right now. Okay? We got a pullback right now of about 15 points. Okay, she gets back into profit because she respected here. Okay, if she doesn't blow through this point, I will take my profits off the top. Okay, I will take my profits off the top because, again, she's respected this. So if she doesn't blow through here, okay, we got a minute left. We want to close above. If we close above, I hold positions. Okay. Here we go. 56 seconds left. I love it. So then I have two buy stops up here at 35,550. 35,550 is my next entry. I got two buy stops. Okay. Let's go. We're in profit. 35 seconds left on this candle. 31 seconds left on this candle. Let's go. We're in profit. Amazing. Let's continue up. We got that long wick to the bottom. We got this long wick to the bottom. Let's continue up. We got this long wick to the bottom, which tells us that buyer pressure on that wick. Okay, let's continue to climb. Come on, US30. Let's go. Okay, but again, she's respecting this level, guys. Okay, we had to expect that because she respected it and she fell 50 points. Okay, last time she respected it, fell 50 points. All right, she respected it here, she fell. So again, great point to break. Great point to break. Okay, we want to break this. We want to break this, okay? And again, why in our mind do we set our stop loss 50 points out? Because here's the deal. Let's say I got out here, try to get another entry. Like, I don't want to get in and out, get in and out, get in and out. I'd rather just be patient and wait, and look what happens when we're patient and we wait. So now we got two wicks to the bottom. Okay, we got 3 minutes left on this candle. Okay, if we can maintain these wicks to the bottom, we're looking good. We have signs that tell us we're going to continue to go. Nice. Good. Hey, and you know what, Steven? There's nothing wrong with that, man. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that. There's absolutely nothing wrong. Okay, but again, you can get on the buy side. You could put in a buy stop at 35,525. And that's exactly what we have. We have a buy stop. We're about to be in profit. We have a buy stop at 35,525. That was our entry. Okay. Perfect. Yeah. That's it. That's what this is all about, guys. Especially when we're seeing a market that's moving sideways. Okay, it's short trades. We can't expect 50 points if she's not moving 50 points. We can't expect 50 points if she's not moving 50 points. You know what I mean? If she's moving 10 points, then guess what? That's what we have to take. If she's moving 20 points, then guess what? That's what we take. Okay? And again, like I said, it's all about just looking at what we're given. Okay? Could we have gotten out right there and got back in? Sure. But again, at the end of the day, I don't want to play that game. I'd rather be patient. Now, if she starts breaking these zones here, then again, I'll get out and look maybe possibly for a sell. Okay? But I'm just going to be patient right now. Okay, this is what happens when we move in this, when we're taking trades in a sideways market. Okay? Okay, we're in a pullback right now of about 30 points. Okay, So we just want to be careful at this point. We just want to be careful. That's all. We just want to keep our eye on her to see what she's doing. Okay. Okay, we got 40 seconds left on this candle. Okay, let's close above this 500. Great, 35,500. Let's close above. Okay, let's keep moving. Let's keep moving. Come on, 30 seconds left. Let's go in the other direction. Come on. Let's go in the other direction. Thank you so much, Maribel. I appreciate that. I truly do. Okay, we got 9 seconds left. Let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens here. Let's see if she shoots up or what she does. Okay. All right. We're gonna kind of look at. We're gonna do some evaluation here. Okay. I'm not gonna hold this much longer. Let's see. Trust your trade situation. But I also know where I'm gonna get out. Okay. Let's go. Okay. We bounced up off that 200. Okay. Again, we respected this area. We've respected this area, so we're going to hold. We're going to hold a little bit. We've respected this area. Okay, we respected this area. We're going to hold for a little bit. Come on, baby. Climb back up. Let's go. Let's go. Big push. Big push. Come on, big push up. Let's go. We're being patient, being patient, being patient. We got 3 minutes left on this candle, guys. Let's go. Get up there, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Get up there. Trust your trade situation. Trust your trade situation activated. Let's go. She fell back down. Let's get over 80. Let's keep pushing above 80. Let's keep pushing above 80. Two minutes left on this candle. Let's go, baby. Get up there. Let's go. We got 2 minutes left on this candle, guys. 2 minutes left on this candle. Trust your trade situation. I need this to get above 80. Okay, we got 1:30 left on this candle. I will be getting out here in a second. Let's go. Get up there. Boom, I'm out. All right, I'm out. So again, she obviously fell further than what we anticipated. Okay, again, that's where you have to know where to get out, guys. And there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. You know, so many people think like there's something wrong with that. This is part of trading, is knowing when to get out. Knowing when to get out. Do you know what I mean? You have to know when to get out. You have to know when to get out. And again, could she bounce all the way back up? Absolutely. But at the end of the day, okay, she fell too far for me. She fell too far for me. Okay, let's look at something here. So guys, literally that was a little under 40 points. Do you know what I mean? Little under 40 points, and look what she's doing. She's falling. Okay, she just opened up to the downside. She just broke this zone. She just broke this zone. She broke the 200. Okay, she could possibly retest it. Let's see what this next candle does. Okay, that was about, so honestly, okay, that was about one, that lesson there was 2% lesson. Okay, I'm actually done for the day. I'm a little over 1% lesson for the day, because obviously what we took on you know, on those other two trades. Okay, but again, guys, I'm not afraid of that. You know what I mean? I'm not afraid of that at all. Okay. How's it? How did everybody do? Did they get out? What happened? Okay, honestly, here's the deal. She closes below this 200. Okay, she closes below this 200. Okay, look, let me show you what you can do. Okay, you just move everything down. Okay, so look, sell stop, 35,450. Sell stop, 35,450. 35,450, sell stop. And again, guys, we're scalpers. We're scalpers. We're scalpers. We can go any direction, and I'm about to show you that. Okay? So 35,450. 35,450. Okay? I have a sell stop. 35,450, sell stop. TP, 35,425. Let's see what happens. We're at 61 right now. Whoa, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Did she get us in? Did she get us in? Okay. I did lower my leverage, okay, to about half of a lot. Half of what I was before. Okay. So if you're at your full 1%, go to 0.5. Okay, she didn't get us in yet. She didn't get us in yet. She respected it. Okay, why do we not want to put a limit? Because she can continue to fly up. Okay, and because now she's under the 200, I'm going to look for a sell. She broke below this level. She broke below this structure. She broke below this structure on this candle. She closed below here. Okay, now she's retesting it. Now, if she comes down here, boom, breaks through, we're going to continue to ride. Okay? But if I put a sell limit, okay, let's say my sell limit's right here, she continues to fly up, we get caught in a pullback. Okay? So I want to look ahead, not behind us. Okay? Are there times that we can take a retest? Sure. This could be one of them. You could take a retest right here. Let's say she comes up to this area right here and you want to bounce off of this. You want to bounce off of this area right here. Sure. There's not a right or wrong, guys. There's not a right or wrong. It's more of just your style. It's just more of your style right now. You know what I mean? It's more of your trading strategy. I'd rather go through my zone than try to retest it, especially in a choppy market like this. Especially in a choppy market like this. Okay. Sell stop, 35,450. See what happens. Okay, we're in. We're in. Let's see what happens. I'm not going to stay in this too long, guys, if she continues to play games here. We're about a 10-point pullback. 10-point pullback right now. There we go. Let's go. Come on, big drop. Give me a big drop. Let's go. Get down there. Yes, sir. We're in profit. Let's go. Let's go. We're in profit. Let's go. Big drop. Big drop. Big drop. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. She's so choppy right now. Let's go. Big drop. Come on, US30. Give me a big drop. Come on. 4 points out. 4 points out. Let's go. Big drop. Let's go. There we go. There we go. We're a profit. We're in profit right now. Let's go. Two-point pullback right now. And again, you could have already gotten out. You may have already gotten out with the bag. They're not big bags, but at the end of the day, a bag's a bag. You know what I mean? All right, let's go. See if we can get a big drop here. See if we get a big drop. Okay. I'm not going to hold a whole lot too much more longer. All right. All right, guys, I'm done for the day. Again, just crazy movement. Again, we got out there. Again, I'm at my drawdown, my personal drawdown. I'm at that point right now. Okay. So again, just being disciplined and being able to just walk away. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that. There's absolutely nothing wrong with, again, again, she just did not do what we needed her to do today. And that's okay. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm just trying to. All right, perfect. Well, hey, thank you guys so much. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. I truly, truly do. Today is Wednesday, so tomorrow we will be back on. We will be back on tomorrow morning. Again, around the same time. If I can, get on. If I can get on earlier, we can do opening bell and kind of watch it together. That'd be great. But again, make sure that you are subscribed. Make sure you click that little bell, so that you get notification of when I come on. But again, guys, thank you guys so much. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. I hope that you have an amazing, 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 amazing day. And again, I will see you guys at the top, because the bottom's too crowded. We don't look down on anyone unless we're going to reach down and we're going to lift them up. And again, believing that you can is more profitable than believing that you can't. God bless. Have an amazing day. And we will see you guys at the top. Take care. Bye-bye.